IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Did you do housework when you were a child? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I did some housework when I was a child. I usually cleaned my room and sometimes helped my mother with washing dishes. I did it because my parents asked me to do it, and it was one of my jobs at home.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, some hesitation, basic linking. Lexical resource, everyday vocabulary, limited range. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences with occasional errors. Pronunciation. Understandable but may have unclear sounds. Typical of a Band 5. Basic communication with frequent limitations. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I did quite a bit of housework when I was young. I usually helped with the dishes, swept the floors, and kept my room tidy. My parents believed it was important for us to learn responsibility, so these small chores became part of my daily routine.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, well-organized ideas. Lexical resource. Some higher-level phrases like learn responsibility, generally precise. Grammar. Good control of complex structures with occasional slips. Pronunciation. Clear and natural with only minor issues. Typical of a Band 7.5. Flexible language use with strong control. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. I was expected to contribute to the household from a young age, so I regularly handled tasks like doing the dishes, folding laundry, and helping with basic cooking. Looking back, I think those chores taught me discipline and made me appreciate the amount of work that goes into maintaining a home.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless flow. Fully developed ideas. Lexical resource. Sophisticated vocabulary used naturally. Contribute to the household. Maintaining a home. Grammar. Precise, flexible, error-free range. Pronunciation. Clear, natural, native-like rhythm. Typical of a Band 9. Fully natural, nuanced communication. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.